How you doing? Mike from 1A Auto. Just going to show you how to remove and replace door handles. 2015 Chevy Silverado, same as Tahoe, Suburban, Yukons. And this is great if you have black door handles, you can change to our chrome door handles, or if you just need to replace a door handle. If you're going to be working with the doors open, good idea. This switch right up here shuts off your dome light. Middle position is on with the doors open. Over here is permanently on, and then you can see the lights right here. Shut it off. That way your lights aren't draining the battery while you're working on your door. To remove your door handle, just remove this little rubber plug. You can use a flat blade screwdriver or just pry it out for that hole. And then inside there's a 7mm bolt. Okay, then the 7mm bolt, 7mm socket with a ratchet and extension. Take a piece of duct tape and just lightly put it on here. That's going to help be able to have the bolt still stick in there. So go in at an angle, get it nice and tight on the bolt, and then remove it. Now pull out on the door handle, and this piece, just kind of shake it and pull it out. And then the door handle, you can pull out, move it back, and the handle comes off. You may want to clean off where the door handle goes. To reinstall the door handle, use a 90-degree awl and put it in and up and over the lock. And then with the bent tip awl in there, pull the mechanism, and then you can put your gasket on and put the front of the door handle in, back in, slide it forward and on. Make sure it's engaged. Now pull the door handle out a little bit, put your rear piece in, and load up your 7mm bolt in the socket with the tape. Just push it in, you can look it in diagonally. Keep some pressure on the rear, the outside of the door handle, and with some good light, look the bolt into place and tighten it up. And put the rubber grommet back in place. And if you do happen to drop that bolt down in there, we have a video for removing the door panel, and you can remove the door panel and reach into the door and get it.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.